Imagine your birthday is only 3 weeks away, and you might want to work out how many days that is. How can we do that? We know that each week has 7 days, and your birthday is 3 weeks away. How many days? We know that each week has the same number of days. It has 7 days. And we know that it's 3 weeks away. We've got 3 groups of 7. We know each week has 7 days, and we want to work out how many days are in 3 groups of 7 days. Since all the weeks have the same number of days, we can use multiplication. We could write 3 times 7 equals. Now let's solve it. 3 times 7 equals can be written as 3 times 7, and the answer goes on the bottom. I'm going to represent the days of the week using sweets. And so we would have 3 groups of 7, 5, 6, 7. And in the next group, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the last group, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could also represent my 3 groups of 7 as an addition problem, which would look like 7 plus 7 plus 7 for my 3 groups of 7. When we add them up, we would have 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14, and 7 more is 21. We now know that 3 groups of 7 is also 21. After we've done our calculation, we know that if your birthday's in 3 weeks' time, it's in 21 days. Birthday is 21 days away. That's an example of how we might use multiplication in our everyday lives. There's loads and loads of these examples, and you're going to find more as we go along. Now it's your turn. Have a go at the attached activity, and I will see you in the next video.